Unlock the secret to turning your creative passion into a profitable venture with webcomics. Stay tuned to discover how. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of webcomics and the untold potential it holds for your creative and financial journey. Stick around till the end. The insights shared in this video are bound to redefine what you thought was possible in the digital artistry realm. Let's unlock the secrets together! Whether you're an artist, writer, or both, webcomics are a growing field that could be your next big opportunity. Webcomics are digital comics or graphic novels published primarily online, offering a new platform for creators to share their work with the world. Webcomics have gained popularity due to their accessibility and innovative storytelling techniques. You can publish your work without the need for a publishing company, allowing complete creative control. Plus, with the internet's global reach, your audience is unlimited. But how does one make money from webcomics? There are several methods. First, selling merchandise. If your comic gains popularity and develops a fan base, you can sell merchandise featuring your characters or comic-related designs. This could be anything from t-shirts to posters. Another way to monetize your webcomic is through crowdfunding platforms like Patreon. Here, fans can support you with monthly donations. In return, you can offer them perks like early access to new comics, exclusive content, or even personalized artwork. You can also make money through ad revenue. By allowing ads on your website where your webcomic is hosted, you stand to earn income for every click or view that the advertisement receives. It's a simple way to generate passive income while you focus on creating. Enjoying the ride? Don't lose track. Subscribe, thumb up, and hit the bell for more thrilling content ahead. Excited? Let's keep the momentum going. Selling your webcomic as books or ebooks is another great way to monetize your work. Once you've created enough content, you can compile the comics into volumes and sell them physically or digitally. This not only provides you with additional income, but also extends the reach of your work. Offering subscription services is another viable option. You can offer readers access to premium content, ad-free reading, or early access to new releases for a small monthly fee. This will provide a steady stream of income and create a loyal fan base. Creating commissioned work is another way to make money. If your artistic skills are admired, people might pay you to create custom illustrations or comics. This can be a lucrative side job to your regular webcomic work. Sponsorships and partnerships can also be a significant source of income. If your webcomic gains enough traction, companies may approach you to incorporate their products into your storyline subtly or to advertise on your platform. Finally, teaching others about creating webcomics can be another source of income. This can be through online courses, webinars, or tutorial videos. If you become successful, people will want to learn from your experiences. The world of webcomics can be a rewarding one, offering creative freedom and the potential for financial gain. So why not put your creativity to work and start your webcomic journey today? With passion, perseverance, and a little business savvy, you could turn your love for comics into a profitable venture. Still here? Perfect, as I've got a delightful surprise for you. Dive into a free ebook exposing the pinnacle of online businesses ready to launch today. The adventure doesn't conclude there, though. Post ebook Enlightenment, a mesmerizing 15-day challenge awaits, finely tuned for this distinctive business venture. With seasoned mentoring, transformative insights, and a toolkit that's second to none, it's your express lane to online success. Can you sense the possibilities? Act swiftly. Click the link in the description immediately and commence your ascent to digital glory. As we draw the curtain on today's tech theater, I'm agog to hear your critiques. Engaged with the method I spotlighted? Still rehearsing its lines? Share your reviews in the comments. If there's an encore of a question, drop it. I'm here, spotlight ready, to respond. Was today's stagecraft a showstopper for you? Illuminate that like button. Longing for more acts in our tech drama? Subscribe and ring the theater bell for curtain calls. Be front row for every tech premiere. But before you exit the auditorium, do you see the video in the wings? It promises another act of tech brilliance you wouldn't want to miss. Join the audience, and let's enjoy the Innovation Gala together. Until the next Tech Ovation!